Okay, let's evaluate the polynomial at x equals to -4. As you see, doing it in the usual way requires this crazy calculation. So here's the fast way. We could write x cubed as x times x squared. Now plug in -4 into x makes it equal to -4x squared. Here x is not a variable because it is fixed at -4. So all the x's you see here equal to -4. And we just plugged in this one on purpose. You find out in a minute. Plus 15x squared above would be 11x squared. The sum of the first two terms. Again, we could write this one as 11x times x. And plugging -4 into one of them makes it equal to -44x. Plus 74x would be 30x. Plus the last term would be -15. For more free videos, please go to my channel in which I teach mathematics in a different way. Bye bye.